Yeah, I represent a company called Alligator Automations. We are based in Pune, and we are participating in this exhibition for the first time. We have displayed a secondary packaging application which packs pouches into poly bags. So our company deals into end-of-line automations. We make packaging simpler for all our customers, and we give innovative indigenous solutions to all our clients. Benefits is like you reduce on the manpower. There's a lot of cost saving over a period of time. There's a lot of customers suffer due to lack of manpower. They lose on productivity. So once you have such equipment installed at any end of line, what happens is you have higher productivity over a period of time. These products are used all across whatever may be the product. We have done for cement, fertilizer, chemical, seed industries, food, pharma, salt, sugar, a lot of applications. We have like a range of products. We do turnkey projects. It's like a project-based company. What we do is we understand the requirement of client and we customizedly give them the products. Major product is secondary and tertiary packaging automations, and we also do robotic palletizers. Price it ranges. We do products ranging from 2 lakhs to 2 crores. So it is all customized. We have a manufacturing unit in Pune. We have sales network in Delhi, and we also have an office in Ahmedabad. We are also planning to set up an office in Chennai now. Yes, we take care of the entire life cycle of the product. Generally, whatever supplies we do, these machines have lifetimes of 8 years to 15 years. So back-end support, sales, service, everything we take care of.